and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. It's been a hot minute since I have filmed something. I think it's been almost a month. So what are we going to open today, you ask? It's a Spring FabFitFun box. I actually got this in February and now it's almost the end of March. So it's been sitting here. I haven't opened it and I've been wanting to see what's inside. So let's get into it, shall we? So this is a seasonal box, so it comes once every 3 months, and it is, I believe, $49.99 US every box. But if you buy the annual membership, it's a bit less expensive. And you get a ton of goodies, and it tells you what the value is usually on the little catalog that you get. This is a big box. Use my double chin to support it. So the theme of this is maybe best day ever. And so this will tell us what's inside our box. And then usually we have to look at the QR code to see the value. So let's get into it. Now, as an annual member, you do get to select more items than you would if you just got box to box. I think I selected all of this, maybe 5 of them. But I can't remember because, you know, you order it in January. So let's see what we got. The first thing is this. Oh, this is a very nice like rose gold and pink box from the brand Josie Marin. It is a whipped argan oil body butter. So we're still in the season when your skin's a little dry. So this will definitely be useful. It is 240 mils or 8 fluid ounces. Ultra hydrating. Let's see what it smells like. I'll spill it everywhere, I just know it. Can't get into it. Struggle is real. Alright, so that is the consistency of the body butter. It's nice and thick. And it kind of has like a citrusy smell. I dropped the lid. So that is very nice. All right, next up, what is this? It feels like a mascara. It says serum. Hypernova eye serum. That's cool. Even prime, 10 mils or 0.34 fluid ounces. So it's a refreshing gel serum that reduces the look of dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness. That's good because I have all 3 of those problems. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's a nice size. And then it's just got this dropper to dispense your serum. That's nice. I love a good eye serum because they're generally very expensive. I've never actually purchased one because you tend to get them a lot in these boxes. Next up, what do we have? What is this? This is Yoga Wake Up. What is a Yoga Wake Up? Oh, it's like what is it? Is it Prana mat? Ooh, look at that. It's a pillow. Does it say what it does? So this is the product, and it feels like there's like beans in there as I drop my card. So get acupressure programming featuring movement teacher and energy expert Katya Mrazik. Discover how acupuncture can help not only your neck and back, but your sense of well-being too. Oh. I mean, it feels good. Ooh. It's a little painful, but that's probably what you want. It's very spiky. Can you see how spiky that is? And it's hard plastic. It's not soft. So that's different. It's not something you usually would get. All right, next up we have from Kate Somerville. I love this brand. This is Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. I have had this product before, and I really do like it. I believe, if I can remember, it's green, and it's very exfoliating. Like, it feels like you've taken the top layer of your skin off, even though you haven't. So yeah, it's this green color. It's got, I don't know what it smells like, but it definitely smells of something. So this is see and feel instant results in just 2 minutes. So So you can only leave it on for up to 2 minutes. Otherwise, it's not as good for your skin. This is a product I would definitely recommend if you need exfoliating. We got a bonus item, which is these nice stickers. I like to keep them here for if I have any kids visit, then they have one thing to play with. And is this already our last thing? Yeah. Doesn't feel like a lot. So I also got this Lazy Susan. It's a Acacia Lazy Susan. And it contains one Lazy Susan from the brand Caravan. I just thought this would be nice for the kitchen counter maybe, or even for my makeup. So, feels like actual real wood. It's a decent size. What size is it? I saw 10.8 inches or 27.4 centimeters in diameter. And then it's got the Lazy Susan part. So yeah, it feels pretty sturdy. And it's got a nice weight to it. And it seems to spin quite nicely. So that would be a nice addition somewhere in my house. I do like the natural wood look. Why do you sit here and do this all day? Yeah, that was the last thing. Didn't seem like a lot of stuff, did it? It is every single time almost. I'm like, oh, that's everything. And then I go through this and I realize I've lost something or forgot something. And right in the very corner of this box is this other thing that I remembered choosing. And I'm like, where is it? So this is from Hourglass, and it is the Ambient Strobe Lighting Blush in Incandescent Electra. I see so many good things about this blush on Instagram. Plus the packaging is beautiful. So there is the packaging. It's a really nice gold. And then inside we have a mirror, and we have this beautiful marbled blush. Let's do a little swatch of that. So it's like a really nice pale pink, which is perfect because I can't wear anything too pigmented because I already have very red skin. So that's actually the last item. So now let's get prices. Right, so the Lazy Susan was $60. The Yoga Wake Up Pillow was $49. The Kate Somerville Exfoliator is $98. So that's almost twice what I paid for the box. The Josie Marin Body Butter is $38. The Even Prime Hyper Nova Eye Serum, only $36, which isn't bad for that size eye serum. And the Hourglass Blush was $43. Was that everything? Yes. So the total value of my box is $324, and I paid about $49.99 American for it. So we definitely got our value. And I picked everything, so I'll probably use everything. This, I'm just thinking this is going to feel phenomenal on like the scalp. So I'm going to lay down on this and see how I like it. Yeah. So impressions, thoughts. It was a good box. It had a nice mix. I'm very excited for this Hourglass blush. I think that's my favorite item. Shocking. It's a beauty item. And then I really like that Kate Somerville exfoliator, so I'm happy to have that. The Lazy Susan will come in handy somewhere in my house. And then the other products are nice skincare products. And this, which I think my husband will enjoy trying that out as well. So, as always, I want to thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a great day. If you wouldn't mind clicking here to go to my channel and subscribe. You can click like down below and leave a comment. And there's more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. Thank you and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.